Valencia. Valencia, Spain, the city hall. We take a walk through Valencia. Return to visiting and walking and seeing a Spanish city with Taylor Dana. Yes. Last year was Murcia. This is Valencia, Spain. And setting up for the Christmas holidays. Wow. Beautiful architectural city. And Christmas tree to add to the decorations. The Dean trips in Valencia, like I said, here in Spain. My first time to Valencia. And typical Dean trips video where I'm just gonna wander around a bit and following actually a recommended route that I asked ChatGPT to put in to show me around, like a 2-hour walking tour of Valencia. So we're gonna follow some recommendations from ChatGPT, and we are starting here a little bit on the route from like the train station, the North train station. Ooh, it's a late November day in 2025. It's the afternoon now, the market's not open. 2 something in the afternoon. The grandiose building here, I'm just reading off my Google Maps description what this place is. It's showing the city's medieval riches, elaborate stonework and carvings here, right next to the market. Construction work going on here. You got signs to point you in the direction for cycling or walking. Coffee and bikes here, and the bike shop right there. This is all the old city, huh?
Yeah, we're basically in the old city.
Yeah.
It's super nice to give us a walk.
You're gonna see probably a big difference just in a few days from now where they're constructing looks like a Christmas market here at the cathedral square. Rafael Gustavino Moreno Museum, I think. There's a convent turned into a museum. Lots of orange trees all over the place, it seems. Important part of Valencia, the orange. Another plaza on the other side of the main square of the cathedral. So really a central part of Valencia, it seems. Another Christmas tree. Very nice. You have to look in every direction. Every direction is a beautiful view. Heading kind of out of the old city now. The gate, the Torres, just Serrans gate. Another Christmas decoration. Let's go up. Let's go up. All right, going up the tower. Catching a strong breeze. It's gonna have nice views. One of the gates. Old time in Valencia. I always love a good tower. Go up, get the views. Beautiful, beautiful. Going back down, had a really nice time going up and checking out the tower and the views, and yeah, it's a very unique, cool tower to go up and check out. €2 for adults. It's only one for students, maybe.